Rice is our favorite food and it is the delicious food. It is belonging by the farmers in the wet and hot climates. Rice is the popular corn and most of the everybody are dependent to this corn. Others paragraph bread. Bread is making by the wheat and water and salt is a mixed productions. It is the very popular for the countries and it is most popular of the most of persons. It is making by the wheat and water and salt are mixed and then after making is dries it. Others paragraph. A sparrow is the little bird. It is very natural and intelligent bird and it eats corn and insect. It is being found in to the living in humans' shelter. How do you making the orange juice? At first I have bought the fresh orange from the available market and then I peel the orange and remove the seeds and the pieces of orange are put into the juicer machines and switch on the board. After mixing the juices are separated and poured in the bottles. How do you dry to the dirty clothes? At first I was collected to the dirty clothes and I put it in the washing machines for washings and I poured some water and detergent into it and mixed it and then I opened the cover and switch on the board. After cleaning I dry it all clothes. Hi mom, how are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine. I am worried baby. Why are you worried? I am worried for seeing and meeting you. I am waiting for a long time, so I am confused. When will you come here for meeting and seeing you? I am same condition, but I have not time, so I have decided that I have a summer vacations and during this time I shall go to with you meetings and seeing.